What's up, everybody? Do you like tangible enterprise AI case studies? I know you do. How about Ford reducing a critical car design process from 15 hours to 10 seconds? To put that in perspective, that's 54,000 seconds to 10 seconds. That alone is intriguing, but then connecting the dots to enterprise AI agents via compound AI systems that chain these types of workflows together autonomously. Ford replaced clay with AI-enabled 3D models to make the vehicle design process a whole lot faster. Shared by Bryan Goodman, Ford Motors Director of Artificial Intelligence, during an interview at GTC with the Wall Street Journal. Here come some quotes. The designers sculpt 3D vehicles in this red clay, but it's very time consuming. They like to sketch, but that's two-dimensional. By using AI, we can turn those sketches into three-dimensional models and renderings and connect that with engineering. And we've trained AI systems to predict stresses and lots of different physics-based tests that we do in designing, engineering, and testing a vehicle, like computational fluid dynamics, wind tunnel drag, etc. One run would take 15 hours, but we've trained an AI model to predict what that would do and run it in 10 seconds. In response to the Wall Street Journal question about whether those results involved AI agents, Bryan then took it one step further by connecting the dots and illustrating why Wall Street is so excited about enterprise AI agents. Here's the quote. When we string them together, so the agent might be rendering and then creating a 3D model and then doing a stress analysis on it. That's where I view this as agentic. I personally think that Ford engineers as good of products as anyone in the world of automotive. But I think we have to speed up to be competitive. I look at the Chinese OEMs and their engineering cycle times are quite fast. When it comes to enterprise AI, this is not him, Bryan, this is me. When it comes to enterprise AI, what's the one thing that all enterprises need to do? They need to execute faster. Big shout out to my man JU, and you know exactly why. Have a good one. Take care.